In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro. By the end, you'll be able to turn a blank board into a clear, reusable workflow that your team can actually follow. Start by opening Miro and creating a new board. Give it a clear name, like content workflow or client process, so it's easy to recognize later. This board is your workspace, an infinite canvas where you'll map out how work moves from start to finish. Think of it as your visual single source of truth. Before you add anything, define your workflow goal. Ask yourself what single process you're building. Maybe it's a YouTube content workflow, a client onboarding path, or a social media posting routine. Keep it focused on one process so the board stays readable and useful. You can always create separate boards for other processes. Now start laying out the steps with shapes. Use rectangles for tasks you need to do, diamonds for decisions where the path might branch, and circles for the start and end points. A simple example might look like this when spoken aloud: start, then idea, then script, film, edit, upload, and end. Keep your labels short and action-oriented. Connect everything with arrows so the direction of your workflow is unmistakable. Every shape should point to the next step. This is where your map turns into a real flowchart. If a decision leads to different outcomes, connect the diamond to the appropriate next step so the path is obvious. Click each shape and add the details people need to do the work. Include brief instructions, the tools you'll use, and any deadlines. For example, under Edit Video, you might note Tool is CapCut, and the task is to add captions and transitions. Keep notes concise but specific so there's no guesswork. Use color coding to make the board easy to scan. Green can mean completed, yellow can mean in progress, and red can mean needs attention. Or use colors to categorize stages: blue for planning, purple for production, and orange for publishing. Whichever system you choose, stay consistent across the board. If you're working with a team, assign tasks by adding team members to the relevant steps and using comments or tags for clarity. This makes ownership visible at a glance. Centralize resources by attaching files and links directly to shapes, Google Docs, shared Drive links, or reference materials, so everything lives in one place. Walk through the workflow step by step to test it. Remove anything unnecessary and simplify wherever possible. A strong workflow is simple, clear, and repeatable. Finally, save your work as a template by duplicating the board. Reuse it for future projects to keep things consistent and save time.